And this video is for the Ryobi power inflator. This is an awesome handheld compressor. This is P737D, 18 volt, so it can take your regular capacity battery or even a high capacity battery. And you've got a hose coming right off the end of it right here. Okay, it has the regular tip that you'd see kind of like on a bike pump. Okay, so you can take the needle that comes with it, or it also comes with a little other blower tip that I actually have misplaced, but that's in there, and you can see that in the picture in the listing. But it has a nice screen right here on the end that will show you your pounds, your PSI right here. And I'm going to put my finger over the tip here and kind of plug it so you can kind of see it. But it easily inflates a car tire, or if you just want to use it for, balls like basketball, soccer ball, anything like that, any kind of fitness supplies, or just as a small blower, it is good for that as well. But this is the Ryobi power inflator. I've had it for a while. I use it on a lot of different things, but it's been a very good product. I'm going to link it up down below, so if you want to check it out and get one for yourself, it will be right there. But it holds and it takes all 18 volt batteries.